Nice flowers. Nice flowers.
Only the finest ramen for the finest disrespectful dashcam videos. 2 feet into my lane. I don't know what you want. Whatever you, if you want Mr. John's or something, you can order it ahead, or if you want whatever else, we'll just go.
Yeah. Alright, I'll figure something out. I will.
I missed this light because of both of you. I'm still
Help
right.
me, please.
You should have kept your butt up with the rest of us three. Now pull yourself together and take evasive action while we circle back for you.
By the time they do that, it might be too late. Shall we?
After you.
Another buffet.
Hang on.
Just to slam on the brakes. Golly. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Gee whiz, man. Get over right here. Your buddy got over. Thanks, butthole. That was a straight butt move. You moved over in front of me on purpose. What a butt.
7. 11 and 7 is 18. The house pays 18.
Now you take off.
Dude, I've never seen anyone win like this.
That's because no one brain. I like computers too often.
25 credit.
Look at here. He slowed down too. He was really fast. Good job, man. Good job, bud. No turn signal. Change lanes in the intersection and cut me off. Good job. It's very big.
I've never been this way.
Not my fault.
Steve Lovato's fault. Oh, and Texas.
Bud. And now he's about to slow down and take this exit. There we are. Can you hear me now? Yes, sir. Thanks, man.
Turn right on Stone.
And look at them. They've been rolling out, too. God. College town.
Yep.
Oh, that sounds terrible.
Heading into the second
That's
quarter,
cool. Can you run it?
Mississippi State
Yeah, you can get it me, too.
checking in from
You know, what's the matter?
studios with an out-of-town score update. We have a final score in the SEC today.
Arkansas, their study cost more than the one down here, so I think that
I mean, that's your prerogative and stuff.
And look, what's most concerning to you that was never
Their jobs with pay until September 30th.
Fox's Madeline Rivera. The Philadelphia Eagles are Super Bowl champions, beating the Kansas City Chiefs 40-22 in New Orleans.
Eagles fans are still trickling off of Bourbon Street after...
Oh, he's gonna get me.
played for a fool. Twice. In one day.
Oh, we're in a big hurry to get to work. Liberty Electric.
Now boarding at gate 20. Wait a minute, you little worm.
We can convert Seymour class cargo sleds into
Wow,
Starbury bombers.
thanks.
That's the ship we used when we attacked the base years ago.
Woo.
It was 12 hours to equip.
How many people do you think will run this light?
And that goes for
Well,
all of you
neither.
too.
About to find out.
So maybe you just better take me along. I'd feel better if I could keep an eye on you.
It's not so bad.
Law enforcement closed off Highway 309 in Byhalia Monday morning amid an
cool, man. I
ongoing
guess you get out of the way.
standoff. It actually began as a domestic
That's cool.
disturbance
You weren't
on
close.
Sunday night. Another was a
Buck is trying to kidnap Mr. DeVronin.
What?
You have 3 seconds to clear this
Please
venture,
get on
Buck.
your side of the
But
road.
don't try to stop
Thank
me.
you.
What you're
All up in
doing
your
will
phone.
force
Get
the
you.
Earth and Alpha to go to war. You're jeopardizing
Look.
thousands of...
Who is she? No one.
Don't worry, it's your side of the road too. You know, I mean, what you want.
I thought you...
There we go. I've got 2 Garmin's. I've got a real big widescreen for the front, and then not as I can't remember the numbers, but it's a big old widescreen Garmin in the front, and then one in the back.